getting started.
It's breaking. The verified X, formerly Twitter account of General Muhoozi, Chief of Defense Forces of the Uganda People's Force (UPDF), has vanished from the platform yet again, with all public and private access attempts returning failure messages.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face.
Just a few hours ago, users, both followers and independent digital monitors, reported that their account handle M. no longer resolves to an active profile page. Attempts to load the account via web interface and official mobile applications consistently return errors indicating account not found or similar non-existent responses. The technical indicator that the profile has been removed from the service's active user index. Repeated login attempts from verified devices also failed, suggesting the disappearance is not merely a client-side caking issue. Common causes for such disappearance, including account suspension, deactivation by the user, or server-side platform purge, trigger distinct system responses. In this case, X servers have delivered a generic profile non-existent response rather than a suspended account notice, which ordinarily includes specific policy violation details. Technical observers note this pattern resembles previous incidents in which the account was manually deactivated or temporarily removed from X user directory, not a force-level platform ban, which typically shows a suspended status with explanatory messaging. The disappearance comes amid heightened scrutiny of Muhoozi's social media activity, with some posts previously deleted amid controversy. X's current support infrastructure does not publicly disclose reasons for account removal in such circumstances, and no official comment has been issued by platform representatives at the time of reporting. Further investigation is ongoing to determine whether the outage stems from deliberate deactivation or an administrative action by X or technical fault within the platform's account indexing services.